Hi, today I'm making an easy holiday pinwheel. Now this is a turkey and cheese pinwheel that's about 5 minutes to make, another 10 minutes to bake, and you have a 15-minute appetizer. So we're going to begin with these ingredients. 1 can of pizza crust by Pillsbury, extra sharp cheddar cheese, and then I'm using sliced turkey instead of deli ham. You can use either one. And from there, we're going to roll out our pizza dough and just press it down. I cut the pizza dough in half, and then I'm going to layer the cheese on top of that dough. I'm also adding the sliced turkey to the top of the cheese. And then I'm going to take the top layer of the dough and press it down over the cheese and the turkey. Once I have it all lined up in a square, I'm going to make thin slices. And so like you can see right here, now it's cut into strips, but I'm going to cut it across as well so that the strips are not quite so long. And then I'm going to take each strip and I'm going to roll it into a circle and place it on my baking sheet. You want your pinwheel to be about this size, so it's an appetizer size. In the meantime, I'm going to also create an egg wash and actually, just kind of brush each one of the appetizers and place them in an oven at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. While it's baking, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and I have probably maybe a tablespoon of chives that I've cut from the garden, as well as a teaspoon of dried Italian seasoning. And I'm just going to mix that all together for the herb butter that we will baste the appetizers with. So once that's ready to go, we're going to take our butter and herbs and just spread them over the appetizers while they're warm. And this is what it looks like. We want to serve those hot. And again, it'll have just a hint of turkey and cheese. Because it's pizza dough, you'll taste more bread than anything. But it is a wonderfully quick appetizer for the holiday season.